Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Zhafirah Salsabila and I'm from 11 Science 6. My class number is 35. So like we all know, right now our country had to face the COVID-19 pandemic, and due to obey the health protocol, we can't go out and make a contact with our friends. But unfortunately, sometimes we also have some of a group tasks to do. Sometimes we feel confused about how to share our tasks and checking each other apart before we hand in the assignment to our teacher. But don't worry, right now I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Drive folder possible to be edited, changed, and edited by the other group members. So of course, like the title said, first of all you need to install the Google Drive application to your phone. But if you're using a PC or laptop, you can just Googling the website and don't forget to sign in first. Let's go straight to the tutorial. We're going to make a new folder. You can click the plus sign at the right bottom and choose folder. Give your new folder a name or a title of it, and create. Open the folder and tap the triple dot at the right top of your screen and tap the link sharing off, so it will change to link sharing on. Second, you can tap the triple dot again and choose details and activities. It's going to show you all the details of the folder. Third, choose Who Can Access and tap Change. There will be some option in it, and we will go for the editor one. So basically, if you choose editor, everyone will have the link, can edit, organize, and add something to the folder. And we're done. You can copy the folder link and share it to your friend. Here I'm sharing the link to my friend so they can hand in their assignment there. So that's it, and I think that was pretty easy to make, right? And it's going to help you with the group task, of course. So that's it. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.